If you would like to improve road safety, you can do that traditionally by staying in the silo of road safety and simply try to make traffic safer. I do believe that we have to explore another opportunity, and that is to bring safety far more in the planning arena and in the design arena of roads. I call that integration. So integrate safety with planning decisions and with decisions in road investments. And if you do that, you act proactively on road safety. So there's no need to wait until you have crashes and then act. No, you try to eliminate risky conditions on beforehand by planning, urban planning. And the famous example then in this city might be the right-hand turns. So people are waiting in the middle of the road for a safe gap to make that right turn. That's dangerous. Sometimes people are somewhat defended by the road because there are nice little aisles, but sometimes not. And people are waiting there, afraid of being hit in the back, all the time looking for a nice gap. And people are not good at that. And especially older people have big problems with doing that. If you can plan your precincts in such a way that right-hand turns are not needed anymore because you do that in a different way, then you get rid of these dangerous maneuvers on beforehand and not waiting until you have designed everything already and then say to yourself, okay, now I have a problem to be solved. So this integration is very needed in this city. And there's a great opportunity because this city has ambitious plans with all sorts of activities, bringing more people in the city, having a more lively city, bringing more density, more people to the city. So there's a lot going to happen a lot, but my pledge would be please integrate in those decisions also safety and not at the end trying to make a few measures to solve problems you created yourself a couple of years before. You have to be very careful. One of the great risks of this approach is that you try to accommodate any request you have. I do believe that's not the right direction. If you talk, for example, about connecting Adelaide, Port Adelaide with the rest of the world, then you need certain routes for trucks, and that's necessary. And in that case, you have to smooth traffic as much as possible, because these trucks are not very environmental friendly, make a lot of noise, cost a lot of energy, and you have to deal with that smoothly. And that is to say that you cannot allow for everything else at that same route. And to make these choices are critical. It's not always popular because people expect that all their wishes can be accommodated by new planning and by new designs, but that's not the case. So there have to be made choices,